Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be discussing on what are identifiers and rules for naming them. This series of tutorial will hold good for school and college students as well as for professional programmers. So let's start. Identifier is a name of a class, interface, variable or method. Now let's look at the rules for naming an identifier. Rule 1. It must start with an alphabet, $sign or underscore. Second rule. It must not start with any numeric character. Rule 3. After first character, it can contain any combination of alphabets, numbers, $sign and underscore sign. Rule 4. There is no limit to the number of characters in naming an identifier, but it must have at least a single character. We cannot use reserved Java keywords while naming an identifier. And the last rule says that Java identifiers are case sensitive. What happens if you don't follow these naming rules? We get compile time error. So please be very careful and follow all the rules while naming an identifier in Java. Let's look at the sample program demonstrating these rules. So here we have demonstrated rule number 1, which says it can start with alphabets, underscore or $. So this holds good. So there is no compile time error. And the rule second says it cannot start with numeric characters, but here it is starting with numeric characters, hence we are getting compile time error here on line number 9 and 10. Rule 3 says after first character it can contain any combination of alphabets, $sign, underscore and numeric characters. So here the rule 3 goes good, hence there is no compile time error. And rule 4 says it must have at least a single character in an identifier name, and it can also contain any number of characters in an identifier. Let's add more characters here and try to save. We are getting no compile time error here as well. Adding few more characters here. Then also we are not getting any compile time error. So our rule 4th hold goods here. And the rule 5th says we cannot use reserved Java keywords. Here for and finally are reserved Java keywords. Hence we are getting compile time error on line number 21 and 22. And the rule 6 says that the identifiers in Java are case sensitive. So here we have defined two identifiers, B and small b. The capital B holds value 5 and small b holds value 10. And in add we are adding b plus 100. This is small b plus 100. So as it is case sensitive, so this will pick the value of small b, which is 10. So it will be 10 plus 100. So 110 will be assigned in add. And in here we are printing the value of add. So here we will be getting value as 110. Now let's run this program and see what we are getting here. So for running, I will have to comment out all the compile time errors. Just a minute, I am commenting it out and then we can run. Here in console, we can see the value of add is 110. So this proves that our identifiers are case sensitive. Thank you guys for watching. Please do like, comment and share this video with your friends. In case you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. I will be coming up with many new videos in future. Till then, stay tuned and bye-bye.